I'm Chris with Utmost Air. Here's a short video of some recent maintenance procedures that I performed on a water-to-air system. Bosch geotherm system maintenance. Treating the coil with cleaner, brushing that evaporator coil down. Then we vacuum out that drain pan. Wipe it down and add some antibacterial pads. Checking the fan capacitor here and the multi-capacitor, which we just replaced, so it checked out fine. Check that contactor. Got to remove the cover. Take a good look, make sure there's no burning. Check the pressures. Connect the pressure gauge. It's important to put the panels on while the system runs and then remove them to check the pressure while it's running. Then we remove our pressure gauge and check those valve cores with soap. Make sure they're not leaking and put that clean filter in. Vacuum out that drain line. And that system is good to go. Make a note of the date of the maintenance and when it should be done next. Now, normally during a water-to-air system maintenance, we would check the flow meter and the water pressures, but there is no pressure gauge in this case, and there's no issues. The refrigerant pressures were good, which also would have revealed if there was a problem with water flow. Thank you.